हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल में। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के बारे में बताया था और बताया था सोडियम का, अल्युमिनियम का और हाइड्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 1 से लेके स्कैंडियम 21 तक कैसे आप लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन निकालेंगे। तो मुझे लग रहा है ऐसा कि शायद आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस कर लिया होगा, सीख लिया होगा। तो आज मैं दूसरे टॉपिक पे जाता हूं। जैसा मैंने कहा था, वैलेंसी कैसे हम लोग बताते हैं किसी भी एलिमेंट का, और फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे हम लोग फॉर्मूला बनाते हैं। ठीक है, तो आज वैलेंसी पे देखते हैं। वैलेंसी होता क्या है और कहते किसको है। आप सब लोगों ने ये पढ़ा होगा बुक में, हर एक बुक में ये लिखा रहता है, द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ एन एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड वैलेंसी। ठीक है, ये लिखा हुआ तो रहता है, रटाया हम लोग एग्जाम में भी लिख देते हैं, द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड वैलेंसी। बट एक्चुअली वैलेंसी होता क्या है ये बिल्कुल हमें नहीं पता होता है। ठीक है, तो आज मैं वो बताऊंगा आपको, बुक नहीं बताऊंगा कि बुक में क्या लिखा हुआ है। ये तो मैंने बता दिया, बुक में ये लिखा हुआ रहता है। आप 6 में पढ़ लो, 7 में पढ़ लो, जब भी हो वैलेंसी के बारे में, तो बुक में यही लिखा होता है, द कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। भाई क्या होता है ये तो स्टेटमेंट है, समझ नहीं आता है क्या है, मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता था अपने टाइम पे। तो चलिए करते हैं। वैलेंसी को एक और तरीके से डिफाइन करते हैं, इट इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एन एटम कैन डोनेट, एक्सेप्ट और शेयर। अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, वैलेंसी इज डिफाइंड एज और इट इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एन एटम कैन donate or accept or share. Let's take an example. Let's take sodium and another element is chlorine. Okay. Now sodium has atomic number 11 and chlorine has how much? 17. Write its electronic configuration, that is 2, 8 and 1. And its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. Okay. Now in periodic table up till now there are 118 elements. Okay, and each and every element want to be stable. Okay, they can be stable either by losing the electron or by accepting electron. Okay, now sodium can either lose this electron to get electronic configuration of this one, it is an octet, okay, or it can gain electron, that is 7 electron we can add here to make it stable, that is to obtain a stable noble configuration 288. Okay, now adding 7 electron is a very much a tedious task, because there is repulsion and many more things which will be discussed in periodic table. Adding 7 electron is very much tedious task. Okay, but removing this electron is very easy. Only one electron we want to remove, or it can be easily removed. So the electronic configuration will be how much? 2 and 8. That means sodium loses 1 electron. The person which gives or loses will acquire a positive charge. How many positive charge? The number of electrons released by it. If it is releasing only 1, then 1 positive charge. Mg has 12, 2, 8 and 2. To attain a stable non-well configuration, it will release this electron. So new electronic configuration will be 2 and 8. How many electron it has released? 2. So the charge will be plus you can write, or you can write 2 plus, or somewhere it is written +2. Anything you can write. Okay. So sodium, magnesium, these are donors. They can release electrons. They can give their electrons to some others. Okay. Now let's come back to chlorine. Chlorine has 2, 8 and 7. So either you can add one electron to make it an electronic configuration of 2, 8 and 8, or you can remove this electron to get an electronic configuration of this one. Okay, but again, removing 7 electron is a tedious task, but adding one electron here is much easier. Okay, so to acquire electronic configuration, stable noble configuration, this chlorine gains electrons from some other elements and get electronic configuration of this 2, 8 and 8. So it acquires or it accepts electron from others. So chlorine will have how much of charge? Minus charge, and this minus determines the number of electrons it is accepting from others. Okay, so sodium will be Na plus and this one is minus, that is Cl minus. Means sodium is the donor and Cl is the acceptor. We have taken 6 elements here. Sodium has the atomic number 11, so write its electronic configuration 2, 8 and 1. Mg has 12, so 2, 8, 2. It has 13, so 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 7, 2 and 6, 2 and 5, okay, 2 and 8, 2, 8 and 8. Now, there is a term called valence electron. Now, there is difference between valency and valence electron. Okay. Now, you know that K, L, M and so on are the different cells, or you can also represent it like this. This one is K, L, M and so on. Okay. Now, valence electrons means the number of electrons present in the last cell orbit. Okay. The number of electrons present in the last orbit, say whatever you want to say. So sodium has valence electron how much? 1, because in the third cell it has 1 electron. Similarly, Mg has 2 electrons in its valence cell. It has 3, it has 7, it has 6, nitrogen has 5, helium has 2, neon has 8 and argon has 8. So from this we can know the valence electron. And what is valence electron? The number of electrons present in the last cell. Okay, if we take lithium has atomic number 3 and you will write 2 and 1. So the number of valence electrons will be how much? It is 1. So there is difference between a valency and valence electron. I told you about valency and valence electrons difference. Now we will talk about the valency. What is actually a valency? Okay. Now valency is defined or is calculated differently in case of metals, in case of non-metals. Okay, in case of metals and in case of non-metals. Which are metals? Those elements which can release electron or can donate electron. When you will see the electronic configuration, the number of electrons in the last orbit will be 1, 2, 3. Those will be metals. The elements having 1, 2, 3 electrons in their last orbit or the valence cell will be metals, and the elements having 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons in their valence shell will be what? Non-metals. Again, the elements having 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their last shell or valence shell or last orbit will be metals, and the elements having 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons in their valence shell will be non-metals, and the elements having 2 or 8 electrons in their valence shell will be noble gas or zero group elements. Okay, 2 and 8. Okay, let's talk about the valency in case of metals. In case of metals which have 1, 2, 3 as valence electrons, valency is defined as the number of electrons present in the valence shell. Okay. In case of metals, valency is defined as the number of electrons present in the valence shell. That means valency and valence electron in case of metal will be same. That is, valency and valence electrons, that is number of valence electrons and valency in case of metals will be same. Let's take an example. Mg has atomic number 12, that will be 2, 8 and 2. Number of valence electron will write as Ve. How much? 2, and again valency is 2. Let's take a more example. Aluminum has 13, that is 2, 8 and 3. So valence electron is 3, and how much? Valency is also 3. Let's take more example. Potassium. Potassium is how much? 19, 2, 8, 8 and 1. 8, 8, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So valence electron 1 and valency is 1. So in case of metals, number of valence electrons is the valency, or valency is the number of electrons present in the valence shells. Okay? Is it clear? Now in case of non-metals, the valence electron will be either 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we will study to find out the valency in case of non-metals. Now formula will be valency equal to 8 minus number of valence electrons. Okay, valency will be 8 minus number of valence electrons in case of non-metals. Let us calculate. Oxygen. Oxygen has atomic number 8. So what will be its electronic configuration? It will be 2 and 6. Valence electrons is how much? 6, and valency will be 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Okay. Chlorine. Chlorine has atomic number 17. Bracket 2, 8 and 7. Valence electron is how much? It is 7. And how much is valency? Valency is 8 minus 7, that is 1. Now fluorine. Fluorine 9, 2 and 7. So valence electron will be how much? It is 7, and valency will be 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So in case of non-metals, valence electron and valency will be totally different. Okay, you can say in case of oxygen atomic number 8, valence electron is 6 and valency is 2, which is totally different. In case of chlorine, valence electron is 7 and valency is 1, which is different. So in case of metals, number of valence electrons and valency is same, but in case of non-metals, valence electron and valency is totally different. Now, in case of zero group, which are zero group? Which has either complete octet or duplet. Let's take its example. Helium. Helium 2. Valence electron is how much? 2. And in this case, valency will be 2 minus 2 equal to 0. In case of neon, neon has 10 atomic number. So this will be 2, 8. Valence electron is how much? 8. And valency will be how much? Again, 8 minus 8, that will be 0. Let's take one more example. Argon. Argon has 18 as atomic number. So this will be 2, 8 and 8. Okay, 2, 8 and 8. So valence electron is how much? 8. And valency will be how much? 8 minus 8 will be 0. So you can see that in case of zero group or the noble gases, the valency is 0 and the valence electron is something different than 0. So this is all about valency. Okay, this is all about valency. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please comment. Okay, thank you.